Staring at broken Excel formulas in your data, here's how to fix any formula error in 30 seconds using Claude AI. Here I'm looking at Q1 playlist streaming data for Spotify. Someone broke the formulas and we see ref values and errors. Let me show you how Claude fixes this in seconds. First, open Claude in Excel, Control plus Alt plus C on Windows, Control plus Option plus C on Mac. Claude appears right here in the sidebar. First, let's find every error at once. We'll prompt Claude to find all errors in this workbook. Claude scans everything and tells me exactly where the problems are. Cell D4 has a hash ref error that's top hits in March. Cell C6 has a hash value error that's today's top hits in February, both found instantly. Second, let's fix that top hits error. First, let's understand the issue. I click on D4 and ask Claude, why is cell D4 showing an error? Trace the issue. Claude explains it in plain English. This cell is referencing something that doesn't exist. It shows me the fix. I type the response to apply the fix, and just like that, the error is gone. Third, when a formula runs but gives you the wrong number, this total looks off. It should add up all 6 playlists, but something's wrong. I'll ask, this sum isn't returning the right result. What's wrong? Claude spots it immediately. The formula only sums rows 2 through 5, but my data goes to row 7. It's missing rock classics and today's top hits. Claude explains the error and provides the correct formula. I type the response for Claude to fix and update it. Bonus tip: need to understand what a formula actually does? Ask Claude to explain what this formula does in plain English. Claude breaks it down. This calculates the percentage growth from January to March by finding the difference, dividing by January, and multiplying by 100. Super clear. That's it. No more guessing why your formulas are broken. Get Claude for Excel, link in description. Drop a comment with the Excel problem you want solved next. See you in the next one.